Man, I've got this new harmonic balancer, and it says do not beat it with a hammer to install. What do I do? Okay, if you look at your harmonic balancer, this is probably not the best example right here because this one is broke, but there is a notch that would be right there, and a little keyway goes in it, a little square piece. You line it up with your crankshaft, and then get it all both lined up, and then start tightening your bolt in a clockwise direction. As you're tightening this bolt, first things first, oil the shaft and oil the inside of the harmonic balancer. As you're turning it clockwise, it will screw and pull this harmonic balancer back on. You don't have to beat it. You don't have to force it really hard. If you got it lubed up and it's the right one, it'll go right on, no trouble. Thumbs up. Happy mechanicking.